Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you new ideas on how you can use the Zoeva Precious Eyeshadow Palette. And this is definitely a beautiful palette, and if you bought it yourself and you're unsure like what looks you can come up with, then I'm definitely here to help you so that you can also recreate them at home. I've done already a video on where I showed you how you can create various looks with the palette, but this time I want to go a little bit further and out of the box. And so I wanted to share with you already a little sneak peek on the looks that I'm going to create, which are very evening-like, and also one creative and one glam eye makeup look. And so this also brings me directly to the first eye makeup look which I wanted to share with you guys, and also starting off with the shade Dearest, which I'm going to apply with a blending brush all over the eyelid area and soften the edges. So now to connect the same shadow with the lower lash line, I'm also going to use a crease brush as well as digging into Dearest again so that I can connecting it with the outer corner. I'm not going too close towards the inner corner, I just want to keep the main focus where I'm going to add the color towards the outer part. And so now for the next step, and to finish the look, I'm also going to add a glittery eyeliner. And with that I'm also going to use the shade Treasured, which is the beautiful golden shade, as well as using an eyeliner brush that's very pointed, but if you like to you can also go with an angled brush. And I also have water in front of me so that we can liquefy the powder like color so that we are able to create a smooth liner. Now make sure that you're not going to wet the brush too much. It only should make the bristles stick together so that you keep a beautiful and fine point. And then it's also important that if you're digging into the color that you're going to swirl the brush around if you're using this like a similar brush than I am, so that we can keep the tip very sharp to create a beautiful liner. And now to finish off the look, you only need a few coats of mascara, and there you have already a very simple look but very beautiful and evening-like eye makeup look. Now let's move on to the next one. Now for the second eye makeup look, which is a little bit more creative, as we are only going to use shimmers, we are just going to put them into different places. And so I'm going to start off with the first shade, which is Cherish, and this is a beautiful rose golden shadow, which I'm going to apply with my finger towards the inner corner, and if needed I'm also going to use a flat eyeshadow brush to help me to keep the shape. And so now once this is done, we can move on to the next shadow, which is Idolized. This is the pink shimmery glittery shadow. This one has a little bit more of a glittery texture than shimmery texture. So it could also happen that you will have a little bit of fallout, but you can dust it away or start with the eyes first. I'm also going to use my finger first, and if needed a flat eyeshadow brush. And so now for the last shade, I'm going to dig into Exquisite, which is the darkest of all shimmers. And I'm going to put this one towards the outer corner. And I'm going to use my finger as well as a crease brush, which is a little bit denser so that I really can keep the focus towards the outer corner. Now, once all three shades are on the lid and you've blended them into each other and you also kept the shape, and if you like, you can also follow the shape of your eyes depending on what you personally prefer, or you can also keep it a little bit crisper if you're going to apply it with a brush, because then it automatically will keep the shape once you apply it. Now, this is already the second eye makeup look that I want to share with you guys, and I do hope that you enjoy the glittery moment in your life if you're going to wear this one. So let's move on to the last one. So now for the third eye makeup look, which is definitely more of a glamorous eye makeup look, I'm going to start off with the shimmer first. I'm going to dig into Cherish, and I'm using my finger for application, starting from the main lid area and then blending it a little bit above the crease. And so now for the next step, I'm also going to dig into Adore, which is the other matte shadow, and it's a beautiful purple. I'm going to use the same eyeliner brush for it and digging this brush into the shadows so that we can create a matte eyeliner. And so I'm going to do the same technique as I've done earlier. I'm going to wet the brush, not too much, just so that the bristles are sticking together. And then swirling the brush around into the matte shadow so that we have a beautiful purple eyeliner later going on. And there you have the last eye makeup look. And also, if you like to, you can add false eyelashes, but you don't have to, as mascara will open up your eyes even more. And those are the three eye makeup looks which I wanted to share with you so that you can come up with those ideas and also wear them if you're having fun. And please also don't forget that if you're playing around with an eyeshadow palette, doesn't matter which eyeshadow palette it is, just have fun with the application. And this is also the tutorial that I wanted to share with you. I do hope that you can recreate the looks, and also let me know which of the three are the ones that you would wear and also that you definitely want to recreate at home. Now, this is also an independent channel, which means that I'm buying the products with my own money. And if you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much for watching and your support, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!